Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa ta'ala wa barakatuh, viewers. So kuta, but kabirun kunung topico bembul me alon ko nyanta ka discuss, but because more baby diam kon kunyina na joko maybe puna time modi wala tilibro fana lafta kana puta discuss many of the media houses baby no online, so but until we have everything with us, so najelo ko fana wakil drone another ka discuss in the right time. Viewers, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa ta'ala wa barakatuh. Left diamula menna kola jam wala mari sokti. This video is not going to be long because it's only a warning shot to Marisok and his team and her team. Me mem follow drone wala nyundi ko manna ka mejang kana mem fo drone ka diamu Marisok le anala mulu. Me wonin men di ka Marisok la wala nyundi ko Marisok ntele ka diamu sirifo sonko maybe now dawda ani yan kawmo dawda e balon ko jumalam sirifo sonko ti mari alon ko ndandite na kujama balle du nyokono anu mari yalo ko te lonne ini momo be do ko wala nebe lonne mari la diam nya na lonne yakuma kawol jamal lefo me ya lonko mbederi fe me fo but I think it's the right time. Mari left a space dealer pour if na dum politico kono because musole muti, but I think saying cool tata nyame ma entende la be fintla na diam Marisok kabriye political party olo left a diamula about you but nande because melekata nalo where you started but be medomoni follow gambian kole wala nan ko Marisok warning membe mbulu asiatale about you membe mbulu asiatale viewers left a mem follow jang wala nyunti ko Marisok me alon ko wala fintita anala mol be mandin kol lenkan mbaflale ko kula me alon ko ya design kule meyalong ya tabile anu ya tabile aman tabi Marisok koma left to probably you understand aman tabi Marisok koma because nyaye nanyimfo 3 years jotna yalo ko kurun nte afale ko mem fola mba fola le with evidence 3 years jotna kabirin time meyalong ko wulto jang na hakilo ba kanu there was a peace conference meyalong ko was organized by Marisok. There was a peace conference meyalong ko Marisok le organized. I am all invite Ndara GRTS and Nala Globaka no. When the protest was going on, Ndara GRTS, Ndara GRTS, na diamosra nun GRTS, Mbotaje, Nadna conference on Yinke, this place, Sheraton Hotel. Na conference on Yinka Sheraton Hotel, during that period, then in Marisok, we have a lot of discussions. In Marisok, discussion Jama Balake during that time. Then in Marisok, na discussion Jama Balake during that time. During 3 years jobness time, because Melekata Marisok I Kiamano call for the first time. Ako alaftaka 3 years job non call meet. Ako already and in 5 years gal I can't wall meet. So I can write chairman call so chairman man left from Pruk and I diam because chairman is somebody me along is among two karonke but I kujama ball long Abdunjai. So chairman malafana diamu chairman yang komanda ya fonye kabra fonye ngai chairman nga okay nga anyway ndeba try la lemba miglale nalo mineba da kono because natra ka left ka 3 years ko leje ndeba miglale nalo mineba da kono because ñu mo sifal ni nate kam pour ye meet is always important ndata na Marisok meet ndeni Marisok sida with one of my brother and sida ala officer kono barolo Marisok kuma kamul mel fa siata Marisok kuma kamul mel fa siata but ngam fa wala ñu ko Marisok warning billahi wallahi tallahi I swear to God Marisok warning Marisok wo jamol kono Marisok almost Gambia la political party ol ay bele nek namanga Adama Barrow even Adama Barrow fo ay kuma fa Adama Barrow me ya lonko I have it in look amon jara jamola Marisok yalon jamo man bedeya but ngam fo Marisok draw warning Marisok warning because Marisok ite kuma kaw men fo yalon nim mol malong e malong Marisok la patio ay mello ayalo men kama nim mol malong tol yallonne nim mem malong tol yallonne nde alon ta personal inte ay knows Marisok ya la patio nyi ayalo men kama Marisok manga politicien ti but naya Marisok ya parti political party lo Marisok ya lo why ay political party lo and wallahi sankali comme Marisok alany political party amalo Adama Barrow koma nim mem Marisok lo mba fo le jumala Marisok ti Marisok mu aka real estate in leke so anin president Barrow ko be ñokono even ala real estate business soto so Marisok was an agent for President Barrow ni afo jang dol samiro nun ndabuka speculate I have a proof and Marisok left nte I am come on see anywhere else or any media house billahi ma Marisok mba chelen la ka faye ko ay patio mello ay alo nyina kama because of alo NPP la kama ama alo fenkama pour bañu nun ko kad Marisok only believe ko bañu nun ko damalem Marisok nsa fa know why and how Marisok about ala ko ñu be tamana ñi men ñama nte alon Marisok le kabinela audio mo nka jelele because nalo na Marisok hate men so against the Mandinkas but I know Marisok hate men so against Mama Kande nalma Marisok lo mafla jumale Marisok Marisok nala discussion ko ako Marisok ko atele Mama Kande la parti o GDC ako atele GDC lo Marisok lo kumo lo ñendi wala nan ko Marisok warning billahi ko kuma la fo warning ndega warning ndeni yembe kacha anu ni yemen kacha nsa foyo ko ni eda kalam kuma kilna dorom dunya bebe moy la billahi ntala foy ni eda kalam kuma kilna dorom dunya bebe moy la Marisok ni eda kalam kuma kilna dorom dunya bebe moy la because ntia foy lo ko ndolo buka tama dunya kono nyama ndolo buka tama dunya kono nyama anum ndolo mantala politiko kono nyama fana Marisok ni malon sa foy anum Marisok ya lon na kabiri la politique kabiri findida e ko ka patiolo you people call me alienda commandile because Marisok you know who is me and it yalo ko ndani yembe kacha Marisok ko atele GDC lo ako GDC la political agenda be atele abe safe bar Marisok according to Marisok atele fo e Mama Kande connect to Nigeria ako Mama Kande kanyum kodo membe so Nigeria ako atele o connect alila moyde but because milakata atele lafta ko la nyame Mama Kande mo laf ko lo nyama Mama Kande mo laf ko lo nyama but Marisok ya long yembe fa Mama Kande ma I know it ay kuma jama bal fa Mama Kande ma yikuma jama bal fa Mama Kande ma Marisok inindana naka jamo do fa ke fa yello ya usenda bon nen ye ita Marisok bon ntaman na ka mejang lafta ñu audio ñing o ñing diamo ñing lafta mol ya siga ya samba ya di Marisok la ay lamoy ko ndele ñi fo ndele silvo sonko Marisok ngo ndani te na kacha kele anu na kuma jamal la kacha during 3 years time so ni findira na sai ko e political party yo le lo ibe kuma ka men fo le nyanda ka londe mol mel be min na nyanda ke londe et la political party look yellow left men for the mole probably I understand there I have a proof I have a picture here me alongo ndeni Marisok we were together I have a picture here me alongo abembulu ndeni Marisok we were together along 1 minute ndemanta fem for la me alongo listen but that was in Saratin. Pour molia understand tamanta fabricate la. Nde Marisok lonne nalo jumala Marisok is one of the worst tribalists in this country. Akane albeda la nendiamola. But nde mandinko le blame. Ha nde man ko le blame wato wadi be fintele yal neng ha anu an ñom man ka deul la katare koma pour yal neng all the time an ñom man ka deul la katare noma wada wadi pour yal neng every time fintide bal nenele because mi la kata e ka jela ko e kal nen akadie this is Marisok Gale Marisok jela kodi this is Marisok so diamo man bedeya Marisok eni molele ko du nyokono e ma mellong but fenjama babe mbulu me ya lonko is from Marisok because alenya mara sogge ñene man ni ko konka tambi fama bela but adam mante de mara sok anen NPP la mo lebe ñokono bar mara sok ya lon ko ate mole mati me ya lon ko ate keleno jam president wonti abadan manke alati bari maria lon ko ate keleno jam president wonti. So I have come close to NPP people. Kabrin I endol command meeting wala ako I sponsor sodo from Minister of Youth and the Minister of Defense. I am also Seratin Dadaje. Ako atani UN na mo lakasi ani atani UN American Embassy atani wolle mu friend. Ako atani wolle mu friend. So ako in fact ako nyin fonko me fo kana organize ako those people are going to be part of it. But ya ente mo moldi me alonko ni kukuru ni manka no mo le fa dandula. Na mo le fo le manson fo 3 years ngol manson. But don't go loco, you go and deba normal up to the end. So namal sok noma wala nyama, na noma wala nyama na enje. I conference of command in data GRTS, apiada GRTS, moda GRTS, data conference okay. Data conference okay mundo, data conference okay jana Seratin. Because milagada, I left a comment Gambian call la heart le win. So I feel go not to get a more because they are not all what is her plan. Because Mlagada, I attend you there is nobody, there is nobody in this country messaging Bango Samano, not even President Barrow at that time. But they are not the language Manisoka means Akamemfo. So Kabiri Molia conference on Yinkam Farata Dorang, Manisok, Ayan Cairo Saka, Nana Kilo Bakanum. President Barrow, ala Sukura meeting Ako. Nan hakilo ba kan president Barrow sukura mitu akawa da men ko me 3 years ko be kumandila pour be na be ben buva zone because milagada wotumo abe tola marisok anala fiancé ka me JJ Robinson ala fiancé ka me JJ because akavole ako fiancé la babul so ani all around safo ani bo men kata boyo men ka tarabulu boyo men ka drive e ka fay jeje so man sok ni jeje le be nyobulu they were the people me yalonko and we be doko let me not even say ala fancy but okay let's say let me just change my my tune anim boyo men kata anim men kata either is a driver or is a ala doku lalam I don't know so what happened melana nake kabrin tara conference onyinke in Seratin. In another go, we are going to sign a peace deal agreement. Because we are going to sign a peace deal agreement. So that peace deal agreement on you, this is the peace deal agreement. Okay, Marisok, I need to organize. Peace deal agreement. May I go? Marisok, I will organize. This is the peace deal agreement. Hello, for my friend. This is the peace deal agreement. Okay. Okay, this is the peace deal agreement. May I go? This is the peace deal agreement. Okay, Marisok, Kabrani peace deal agreement on Yinta Adada. So, Mbe I sign, Dole I sign, 3 years Jotna I sign. I sign on behalf of 3 years Jotna. I sign on behalf of 3 years Jotna. But, remember from going in, but I'm following in the code. The signature men can have signature of promise. Signature of promise. So Cameroon sign pareda. Marisok ning alaboyo ning ya wala siga ya samba. Itaraka president onoma. That time ya president Barrow tara muntole. Ya president Barrow tara jara soma. alila moyle e president baro tara munto jara soma so ningale ko mar sok mu agentolati mar sok mu NPP la agentolati so oto ala lon ka damen to faale ñi problème be be keri ñi nandro be keri go fo man ni ngol man tara NPP ba bot ite diamula fo man ni ngol man tara NPP ba bot ite diamula because membe kering design membe kering so kabim man sok tata ay president baro meet in jara soma because luma ya lonko ye president baro meet in jara soma man sok drive back another I told meet that very day kabla meet I letter o samana si brought a letter I letter on him men samanan wala ñu ko already and the president agreed to it so we have to go and meet the president or we have to go and meet some of the ministers mais ya ko president will fire president will delegate pour un tol ni wala ñanta ka meet man soké wala fo because kamel nañu ko sign dorong the lumen na signed that very day after the president was on a presidential tour so president na ay tobeke in Sukuta president ka bo jel to ko ako say men 3 years non ko la be mun dimbayal leti mbe mobe kuma la mobe na mbe ben buvazon baranga men fodron alal hakiltu mobe ala ko nim mobe hakiltu president woni diamo men ken jona ala Sukuta mitin dulat because water already mar sokya mikle atandala ko I have already convinced the people of 3 years and I already because me like that mari sok malo ani mol melka deal mari inin tol la ka deal tol manke mo stupid tol we are not stupid so mari ndeni engagement jama balake in those days and yalon yakuma kama memfo e jututa mo be la jam yalon le yakuma kama memfo e jututa mo be la ite even alifa sallah yemen fama ite alon nte alon yemen fa mama kandama ite alon nte alon yemen fa Usain Dabo ma ite alon nte alon ite alon nte alon but kabriyela invitation ki jumalel na ta conference dula you know them ite alon nte alon so mari ibe membe minin kam ite le mandin kol kon ka tambi fama bela bar musulni women diamuta mar sokla na kacata billahi mar sokla ni musulni woni nga kacha mar sokla ka jawya ni be musulni women men fokam mar sokla ka faye against the mandinkas zankali billahi mar sokla ka faye against the mandinkas but they mandinko le blame they mandinko le blame because mandin kolle ka diandila mandin kolle ka diandila so because nakeda they want to eka system will use me alonko nyulu these people are tribalists and they are tribalists for their own interests ita mandika kaw moy la ferek but nisula mandin kolla iko ka mandika kamotale eka sunya mandin kolu ka mandika kaw tray mandin kol ka kaw be tray mandin ko sakata ay kaw be fo billahi wallahi mandin ko sakata ay sio be futu mandin ko le nyinno mandin ko kakata anin sio be ko beke but sio be fanjam fandi mandin ko la but sio be jututo mandin ko la marisok itela jututo mandin ko la katambi politicien o be la nyimbanko kanjam yalla modol ka fuko ha PDOIS ngolu o modol ka fuko karin kari wala mandin gol konne ban san kalali marisok la jawyata katambi eni man sokje man sokle tribalist katambi more nding yalon ko is tribalist in this country so say e ka fo la nyama so say e ko la fo so zaman fala wala ñundiko man sok she is an agent for NPP and I have my proofs why I said that Marisok is tribalist. And if Marisok want to, none of the I attack. billahi wala dunia bebe mara sok dunia be bala nako who is mara sok. They are wolf in sheep clothing. But milakada mara sok ya jikindila ko you also itamu musolti you can also go and mobilize support and bring it. You will find NPP member. NPP member, they are the people, they are on the ground struggling for President Barrow. Struggling for President Barrow. Because Marisok, Nalmalong, Marisok estate business, okay? Marisok ni President Barrow, Kube Temale in the real estate business. They are falling Tolu, Dina Janka Hulia Falie, the Fenton Folalia Bekele Tonyalet. be fembe fulale jang abe kala toñalet be fembe nde mari soklon amanga ko be wallahi san kalale ala ofso fela jang africain ala ofso fela jang ala ofso fela jang but meleketa man nin kolle le judite fawol la man nin kolle judite fawol la wallahi man nin kolle judite al fawol hey man nin ko man jaw yalo man nin ko man nendiro lo man nin ko bu kan nendiro ke al kanyi nendir la al mel be moy al mel yalo ko kana e kam man ga kan fo e kan nendiro ke they are not mandinkas but they use our language and insult. They use our language and insult our own people. And our own people are there clapping for them every day. Nali akonti Gambia jang man ngo me jola futu wala siara kata misio bela. But man ngo me surwa futu wala siara kata misio bela. Man ngo look hey man ngo man jaw ya long man ngo e man long wala mjia. Ñu lu ndawal mel ya long koy bebe ñu ngulo ko jang. Lu ndawul mel bebe gunjuru lu ndawul mel bebe jamman jelle mbam lu ndawul mel yalla ko ikade alkalol ti wo satewol to fo ala ki alkalol ti je fo kam man nin ko la cenote ka wa lu ndaw ka haani kam man nin ko la ceno wa mina fi lu ndaw ka haani kam man nin ko la ceno wa doye mbani ngam ko man nin go ka ngani yo bele la lu ndaw bon me ay jande jamman jella keno jelle be je me yalon ko ya siga ya di kayla molla ya di molla mel yalon ko e manke man ngol andu man ngol le o dulal be tay komba sa do ko no jam komba alkal jelle be je me yalon ko amanke man ngol man ngo ya asono mo yele mo be but si o be kana wuli e kalo ko kam man ngol le kele e ko because we are tribalists ni diam te ko you are tribalists but if you are ni momo manna yela tribe defense who are we have to come and defend our tribe. Billahi walante, nobody can stop me from defending my tribe. Nobody can stop me from defending my tribe. Nobody, billahi wallahi tallahi. I will defend my tribe without insulting anyone. Hey, Ndebama, my mom is a fuller. Ndebama mu fulolet. Ndebama mu jallolti. My father is a Mandinko. But ni mel be yalon ko bebe diamu kam. Ale nyinunka. Ni jama ko iba fula sorry iba suruwa mama suruwa ila family be suruwa because they don't want to bring in any other tribe. They don't want to bring in any other tribe. We don't want to talk about tribalism. We don't want to talk about tribalism. But I told Nafikol Melialonko, Nimol Diam the Dolong al Safako tribalism. But Aliamol Jalebe Mandingol Lena. All of you people are quiet, all of you people are mute. I hate talking about tribe. I hate talking about tribe. Because it doesn't suit me. It doesn't suit me. tribalism man kunyim banko kanjang but jumal la ka tribalism kijang jumal la ka tribalism ka alo famole jumal la ka tribalism ke but anytime ninna rambe tonya falo do ko we are tribalists so we have to look so don't let can dele na le pula alien nen lolu wal benen. Every day you are insulting us, you expect us to be keep quiet? Long alben nenna, long alben alfal nenna, long alben mamanyol nenna, al control yende, family bekeri, mina bat non tolbendela. Why should we keep quiet? Why should we keep quiet? Alien neng, alien mamanyol neng, alien mamanyol sunya, al kon nende an Simon, family bekeri. Moto ko len tendela billahi wala tendela. Tendela correct. Sign Tendela from today, believe in me. We are ready to stand and defend our tribe anywhere else. Anyhow, we might not even look. I think we are even going to distance ourselves from any other political party. Look, we will stand. Momo en alfa neng momo en neng be kelendi la bideno ma be ju fala la fa suba membe kala ki sama tribalism tol manke tribal soldi an tol kabre mama nyolu na siyo be la kanu albe mol nenna wata al ka fangoli ko tribe ni mol diamu dal ko tribalism na fi ko be be dering te diamu la ajam sek diamu to janna no ajam sek amam fem fode ay regionalism la fam regionalism ajam sek ay regionalism ay wala fo but coming Hajiam Sega regionalism for jang Mojel Findida Meliano so-called activists if Findida I condemn. But why you don't wake up and condemn this woman? So-called because you are only following your interest. Because well I don't go Mandin call, we have to wake up now. We have to wake up now. It's time for us to wake up. But because of vote. Because of vote. We are only looking for vote. We are not going to Dogodogo now. If you don't want to vote for us, that's your own business. Yes, Mustafa. Yeah, Mustafa. Yeah, Mustafa, you're welcome. What do you have to say, Mustafa? Because we're tired now. We are tired now. Tribalism, we don't want to talk about any tribalism for Fondala. But tribe neng. My political party there is no political party in this country yeah, political party but me not you know political party o jelle be banko kanya me ya lon ko sa fo noko man ni ko man kaje memadi o man ni ko is political party o dungol ka finti e kanay ka man ni ko len e ni man ni ko ka tata nyoka e ka finti ka fo go ide e zan kala le ko marsok musin ni woni me ya lon ko diamuta marsok la ya ki marsok la ya ki because me na keda marsok na ka kajale. But al audio you for la moede. Al audio audio nyum fo la moy alba understand ko Marsok ni musunni woni imena ka kachale because Marsok is a tribalist musunni woni tribalist already wala tina they have to come out and insult us. But birds of the same feathers flock together. Yes, no sister Enumbara.
Marisa bagadi.
Mila o kotarande.
Ya Diomi ayalo ko alani sabarlalam kodi. Ngalo
Ambe sabarlale but sister.
Ani jala mana re batu ko. Muna nanga nyimpo. Ntol yaron to lekkelo nyata kala mi ba nin ala sunta inshallah. Yaro ngiliye ba mengela. Memu ñu la faatu lo ya da bo te man sakki jang. Wala mu la sayati. Sontol fana ngan ngala na malu dun yalo ni ko binta stop. Puta puna ni ko saya ni mani ko dinu ko todia ke ba ko saya ko di itol ko todia tol ko todia tol ko saya tol ngan tawati wonu ambalan tol ye lo tun sono jo soto pati mu be stroke ni heart attack soto la te banna ko te yaron te ka bole na ko ni yano yennen fo sama tol la kilo mu mente 2021 nga yudu bi ma sa kunda lo be fa kamene be fa dek ni be ta jahannama du ko tol man ku ke bo tol bu ka mo ne ni me wute yudu ki ne ni mo wute man ni ko ne mo mun ku ke gayon adiyate min ki ka wala ke ton ton ngeni ala bula nyola ala ma ale ki to te ni te ma ya rasulullah barakoka adimi ka
baraka sister yalo sister men promote ya men fodeng ni musun ni woni billahi ni le loya dabo het ka tambi fongo bela ni man political I swear to god san ka billahi wallahi tallahi amam mo het ka tambi loya dabo la ni musun woni because ni musun ni woni ndena ka ja jamala ke bari ni musun ni woni ni le loya usen dabo het ni le mo le loya dabo la bon membe je wala ñandi ko man ni ko le ñanda ka make sure hey amanke comme ka fo ko mo lefta man ni ko dam male na UDP no because mi la geda e ko UDP mo man ninga patio e to le kafo bon do yalla ko UDP manke man ninga patrioti mbare muso mo be yawlon ne UDP manke man ninga patrioti UDP mo patio me yalla ko ay sio 24 UDP ni ajibe le executive structure ni ajibe e kalon ko UDP manke man ninga patrioti bon mi la geda yello ya dabo le ko anu lo ya dabo le lo manke ni mol mel bi an ko be ka jamte lo ya dabo la mo jellel bon ay mo jelle an ko he stood how many people me an ko ito le sio le mudi lo ya dabo e bondi sa kunda me sano kabrin sa pipi bi jamano bon mi la geda yello ya dabo kom mi la geda yemman ni ka ya kom bon mi la geda yembe fo kom kadu ni aje be man ni kol konda billahi wala imon love Gambia but ni imon love Gambia le finti you go and sit in somewhere else but man ningaza here to stay man ningaza here to stay because jambu yalati where are we going bitamu dole
yalla memu ñu la problème o ba ñulu konnante ya wala gisol be domo ni konnante ya mo giso do ma ka finkindire so ñulu man tele je kan ñulu be da mento het wala take over kon to annanga na effort la fa nto ngame yan to nyanta tala back to base na base mu muneti ngata back to na WhatsApp group to na WhatsApp group la fa mo be yalo ko men na mol man telephone no soto nga make sure hawi telephone no be tara mo kinna bulu na WhatsApp or sen sato to credit collecte no plan ko e men be keri yulien ne men nga ci WhatsApp no te nga kinna moli ye la mo yala na moli tagile kana kinti kana gibe kana katofai abaraka yani abaraka
thank you thank you very much mbari muso yemen for you know nelo kumo mele memura back to our WhatsApp groups right yabate nying saying warata bakele la sen yemman ni ko len janne diamo kita pacha banyo kita yalo Alou Job ite you are my friend Aliou Jobe amanka biti Aliou Jobe sayin tambito wala nak you know that ko ite alon ko ite you are my friend but ite alon ko ntani ite nga mum kanne fo ite you know it when you were in school so kala tara jang Aliou Jobe ibe safero dol kala mel yalon ko I don't understand them I don't like hypocrisy yalon ko ntani ka be e ka safer jamal la ken kante but say ko yun tambito wala sayende we are not going to allow any nonsense on our platforms now. We are friends, and if any more findita I neng nalma fintino aliyemol defend ali kafu mulma believe in me it's better nimbe na ko fola aliyemol bula nimbe na kumol fola ali jamfa molla because we are going to say ndol be diamulale sayentendela we will always talk modern la saying modern we are tired. Fasija lebe nyim banko kanja mina tinne buka sido ne but man nin kol dam man mina be keri tribalism is not good billahi man la man nin ko man la tribalism la because man nin ko mo jelle giya nyim banko kanja ya kom Mustafa
yes sifo
yemina sodo
abanyari
ya mbele mo les yemina sodo
memobe kontonna melbe la moy rola ani melbe jibe rola ani mbete fam kontonna platform auto o sa in kana ata miu menna ko yajele ni naburala ni kaso kodi yaje kamem fo sifo e kam wele client e kam wele ban client
ya a travers studio la fonko la plus vivo sol chez la moy a travers si you know ya me moy kana ya
okay
so I understand so ñilam jël na problème
sirko
ndol ben tribe defend la le
sirko
yes Mustafa
il faut ndeka même fo yalon melka manding kol kele oy ka manding ka ya kele asiyata gambia bakele
thank you
abe nimba fola amanke moti na manke nka fo melie di Banjul mafias ñim Banjul mafias kabrim Baba Jawara la time
yeah yeah Mustafa Brictal anyway membe je wala ñundu ko ndama fako e mo hypocrite or whatever but membe la wala ñundu ko ndol sayente nal ta kafula ma na ke abla yen nen jande abla senen tol nen jande ndiam ta jaw na ko be pale pele momon kafuma abla sen fele sayen abe tamala men abla sen abe pate jumal to abe pate jumal to but hey man nin kolu is right time for ya long be kala kinumulati nin jaw ya men bebe kering ni diamu de ka faylo ko yen wa UDP so len buga ñu am fi UDP padi ñu so len buga ñun ñu voter la UDP de len daga Ousainou Darboe ko la foy billahi ko la foy nal la fen ko le 4 fele albe Ousainou Darboe le bondi la flag bearer ya albe Ousainou Darboe le bondi la as the flag bearer that's what they keep saying anno albe fala janne Ousainou Darboe fana fata de fani Ousainou Darboe fata ban naman fa inshallah taala rabbi UDP mbe Usain Dabo ma mbe karto fayla to the max because Usabo nako Usain Dabo is not tribalist Dabo musuja ala musol be la lejibe e manke man din koldi hey alka karto fay melye ali ñilin ka ila musol mu jumal lati alka mel support ali ñilin ka bon Usain Dabo mole me ya longo kabria me mira man sayala aman siku ke mo me man siku ke kabrin tamo me anga me mira man sayala mila batin na biwo be siku mo fola mo me mira mo me ya longo somebody who is not tribalist when he was not thinking about becoming a president because Nyajibe Usain Dabo time mo me ya longo Usain Dabo bana musol futuka otumo Usain Dabo me mira ko be kala man sati otumo abuga man saya ko fo mira Otuma abuga man saya ko fo mira Usain Dabo la musol mel yalan ka e be futu e manke man ninka demul oto ne adala to yata man ninko tribalista mine baati na otumo Usain Dabo fama ba flano kana si ko taw futu man yaji Usain Dabo be si ko taw futu la because Usain Dabo believe that ko mo be killing but because mila gada ale Usain Dabo jawya al man la finin kawla bar billahi al be fala na bota ala bala inshallah taala rabbi ale man ngol ta ale divide al lolu al man ngol divide to yeah brother welcome brother Fabakary
hello
yes brother
demeñani
bela mala
okay alba ko kodi
yeah alhamdulillah
right ndo nana man call ke online live program or anyway today is my first day
yeah
okay but Gambia saying freda wato me alon ko what are the by time all see the side
yeah
alon ndola Gambia ko kilina problem what
yeah
to nyero like kamen do yengo lafle al sabare ani to nyero ne maka en
yeah
ani wado sabaro to labana because sabaro masi nim masi bokata akana ke nim sol
yeah
so ndanga amra sain ta mo si dal because to nyade ala man ko lu nde même fon kan de kamba ko endo
yeah
nde ba ma nim fama ulma adversaire de politico de fokate fe odama
very good
e maka di am platform moto
very good
comme politician le kana ka fo ko al cadre fa nye pro insi ala banko nyi dogu
yeah
and adeni maka na banko nyi dogu
yeah
bre jara government time kana ya jeme time kana adambaro time comme fayda do politician le ka wuli ala fonto li ka faye ni ci day nyaka ci
yeah
so mune ba nan de ba ma ne fama ba di safla mol mi ya ko na ba tele no pour ko len
kawon len kesenke akadiela
because nde boda ki yalle man sakunda man pengen do ande ndolla mol 85 almost 85% 85 aja me mo bela fondolma we still remain our loyalty for last minute right jawra the same thing kuma kensen fodro but nte men kan kampa wala men ko mona batina mol men yalon ko samatela e man ko masoto e man formation man bunya so kallo kantul lal fal nan mun yalon ko hani wol fon malon ko muna mi abcd fo why so ndol amante kayden dollal ko atul man baraka atul modin kurunti le baraka dan dolla because bari ni man sakundal nata wona fiti kilo le kana allo e kam man sakunda ni took over bankola fengo ya mara ko ke dingol le baraka ndi wala bankola na fulo ba sunya le be dingol ki akramol ni ko kadon amna wala mo barakot
thank you
wonte barakat
thank you
because jama fengo ni o ta ye dingol karandi wala amanke la baraka do mo kuriyal
thank you
and Gambia majority of people me alongo be ko wollel mo karanadi wollel mo londitel di arkorano karola to abo karola ni akro ni na in reality be mo ko dal idungol ye karande kuriya ko dolla idoli kala ni dul fama yolla sama do ko min an kon kana mo joje mo kana fasu de e amra ko dulel baraka don tonti an dulel baraka de ya so miya ko sibi ñing ko bo banko mi an ko be sina kam bi a majority of people many an ko da nyima lo mo sen don ko lel ani on jama be je man ko do sunya e mamma sala ko do sunya ye daro la bondi doli akale dara tuba wo ye bu nyima lo ko mboko na
yeah
and many other places you see but why would somebody come in the parents so many along go I will get a kungol in farol de kan tel balun wala e ka jebi yi panole bi yalo kundo okay ikana mo kundo kana ko lo ko nen e kana ka fundol man ka dole ko nga sabat ako jakolo wadal
yeah because megara ndolle elam megara ndolle invite ndolle o space dila because yalo meget kabil la sen ya ke jang yalo kokuru na ka follow le la sen na ya follow kabil la sen ya follow because megara yalo look at the caliber of Lycene being I mean ex-parliamentary member wherefore adiatala so they believe because they start world to go okay let's nimmo bakela madu more follow yake me ya lonko wo sembe niwo so wala tina sign abe siala ayeme moy almom nyimudu doma ni wala nyindi anu yeme fo wala
ngo ngeen dam mu nek la say we need to step in because yalo nyadu you know nyadu wada de bawle jawata ni mo nyadu ne ka wada do bay ni imama re kelandi no ne do ko sika na sienne nyala ne do ko sika ya tulu mo do ko la abe da halal
very good
because la man sakunda na fi ko dem malbe do ko la man sakunda
that's it ngo ekada do gudula ekada man sakunda do gudula yela man ka kan fa ko mande ko ma sose ida bank yemman ka kan fa ko mande ko ma sose ida man soko no ajam da ko mande ko ma sose
nde I'm a victim of that. I am a form of victim because there was a time na no Gambia ndalo banyu ndalo bilika doldo because comment to la jang ikal da rangole anza ni da la de mo tere rangole ikalo rang do fani ton fu la dem ndalo ndo da rang do puta sinuma puta pinela ngai pra ma pada ala akonyi ko ndema man ka ko mai afu nyodina man de ko sose mam from badandi fa yanzan so and there was a time you know in fact the mem from kamba there was a time for ndat na Gambia ndada fulola biti ko don ga ko giyo sanyi giyo jumal be gambe memma lo giyo akonya ko mande ko so state nga ko giyo sanyi akonya mande ko so be mun de nyaadu no be abe mu nyaadi mo jansan an ndal man ni ka diwon ndal nyanda ka bonni ndal nyanda ka bonni ani ma bonni nyame wala na we have to do that individual fight kaje ko nim moye sen ne nyala e beje ati to be gina la because there is no law in the Gambia because ni by right la sen nyol ka ko nyale jang hello
ya be moy kada ha
okay e ba la ko la sen ñul ani ñi muso yi meke wo mo nati public disorder la dage ani gambe ngata ka public disorder action mi alon ko ni ko mo fo mi alon ko be fitno wondi la yesamba loi ñati la loi e soro because ni killing na kay mengata asi fitno wol no banko kan
yeah no they don't mind the problem is this government the problem is all this problem is this government because all this problem is this government government me yalongo ekata duma ekata mol kan duma eke politique on tribe ite me yalongo ite nata e government me yalongo ite nata menna wala ka bankota kamo reconcile instead of kamo reconcile ite kata duma e kata siodol kay ka ko kar ñol la man la falla kar ñol la da kanari beñla that is because you think that is what is going to give you vote you not to get baby caring
ngada men do yala ko men ndalla man sakunda you know ul tulu no la moli sako sa ka fu ko lel fasa wala ko mo ko clean ya san e be man sakunda ndo la man sakunda ka même fasa wala na fikol dama very good na fikol dama la ko ñoo fasa ya fam na fikol dama ka ñoo fasa so mo ken dol mu ka balu no na fikol kon
very good
ya san it take time ya san geni mo ken dol bi fa shot no ya but a short period le ba gena be kala don you know nafikol ni mo kendol ni ka badal ani be wala kono daje bara wallahi nga ngankal alala ndella wata do bota bayda na ma gam fawon ya fam ndel dam wata don moda bay ko ka fogi sabar to la band ni sabaro ba na fitno bola gam ani fitno bola gam be la masi bodi ya fam an okay ani ni public disorder me alongo ani luwangi to Gambia ka je ko nimme wulta hana Gambia, the whole Gambia. So why would somebody come? I see be the mayor because if it no will the banko account. I know for you know come I afford them but I want to buy mobile dim. What kind of nonsense is that? You see, inte faba ka somade. Wallahi ngankal ala inte I put my life on line ninte momo inte si nyala mbege. Inte de manso kuna patmisa. I prefer to go back to prison. Then come
no say me level mendo nim nda personal nde nim me left and bibi la nim me left and nda sort la prison nim me left and sort la prison sans nde ya yana lo nyala yana sioneng billahi wallahi taala nim me left and for me to go back to prison yana lo nyala yamman nin ko neng billahi wallahi taala nde sankali nim momo yalongo elefante I go back to prison the best tool or the best way pour yenda soro no pour na back to prison sans thing the fastest way pour ngana politico 2021 enter kasola o mo nyina di yana lo kana sioning
même pas in the dimako for another way around wala mindiko musinu nyi menen droge and you for Mariam shock another come musinu another musinu defend because amanna musinu kana apology
another can defend
why would what caused her to do that? You know, muna bad na bo kela. So nimza te mo clean ko ngala muna na manta mari no. Because musina nde malo, mba malo, ndele jali, ndele shadow mo de me yalo. Why would you insult my entire village? Because of attending mo clean ndejo. Aje so bola bondila. And you know, let me tell you, most of the information on our social media, it can only discuss behind the table.
It can only discuss go ahead
because into the Halifa Salah call, ngok kumafo, ni Halifa mkanyo ku kalam. What a possible no? Nde usenda ko call the same thing. Nde my father call the same thing. But niaje ni member am shock call la. Ele awanya.
Ngoko wala tunangaya ko Marisok nde yalo ndeka memfa ngo this is a warning because Marisok ya alon nako alinte engagement on milke ana alon nako amni tribal comments ay menke alon nako ay kuma jelle fo mama kandema you understand so but say membe je wala ñuko no membe je wala ñuko nde alon know what is going on ni wado sita jang billahi wala taala ni momo lefta jang kam ni ko je say e fin diemol neng etra nyim banko kanyang mbede mari no mbeju farala mbeju nobody can stop that
because ibe mengila ikan dollar get include because be Mariam Soke menga musino ngi menga dem bi social media was you know 75% 75% 25% me yan ko ba gens kan ol be man ka dingula ne mo ken kilin men be ko but 75% be dey tek because we'll be more
Nafikol le mungo ngamen foye Nafikol le mudi and then they have an agenda. Let me tell you il agenda movement wala ñunduko il agenda movement wala ñunduko man nin ko teman sayala jang il agenda movement wala ñunduko Ousainou Darboe albo wala bola alla man nga yaatu al bola bola nyaato ko yato Ousainou Darboe baawut Ousainou Darboe li leen dee wax every time li leen dee wax so waa gay rek ñu la ne yéen seen leader bi baawut yéen seen leader bi kooku Pabu Gada boobu façon wax boobu leen dee wax anytime di amu tey ka wala fooy
the question now is nina Ousainou amuneke nobody have an answer.
That's it. And we are Ousainou Darboe e fañol bondi kasola ye fañol suñaro ka jang Ousainou Darboe lota e fañol bondi in those days Ousainou Darboe lota mo jelle be ko me ala Ousainou Darboe e suñaro fañol suñaro ka jang man salafta ke fañol soron Ousainou Darboe lota e fañol tanka e mambulo fongo kono e me soron so bi wala kanalo e ka Ousainou Darboe hate ha e ko kanalo ko Ousainou Darboe hate but ko kanalo ka man ngol hate and they want us to accept that now.
Ibe okla Ousainou Darboe la be Ousainou head la because bari it left a bad time and Ousainou ma left one.
Very good. So wala bakere
je. Il left a bad time and ma left one. So they won't funa ka futema comme la kuriya kama then they will not hate him. Wala ala man ne ka ya funa.
You lay long niaje ñu le keloke. Ye keloke foi Ousainou Darboe bay. Ñu la long jumala Ousainou Darboe ti. Hey, Gambian Kolu, there is Anyway, thank you very much, bro. Thank you very much.
I'm prison. Let us go to prison. No, in prison, father, is in Blabadun, no? Because we are the only people who can eradicate. Because it's going to continue.
Yeah, anyway, the brother couldn't tell it. So this is it. Yes. You never caring. Baby caring. Nimba fokang sidol samira. Ibe membe ko wala ko kamandin kol ni siol be dundu ñola jang. Bon siol ya lon ne jumal le mandin kolti. Siol ya lon jumal le mandin kolti. Bon mina kera ñim mara sok fele de. Yen ibe nandiro kala mara sok mina murla bita ka campaigno kala mandin kol le sol le kono. Mandin kol la community abita wolto. Ayta ka karaje mina la campaign. Akakara je mina la kadaka dogo koto ha abita je mandin kol le ya aka dogo mandin kol koto because mina kara left mandin kol la vote lela they only need your vote but they don't need you eman sula mandin kol en sankala le billahi andu mandin ko ya lonko abe palaso to ibe do yala ibe kelela because mina kara they hate you and they think that mandingas are the problem because mina kara they know la Ousainou Darboe de sonna kabule la corruption ol tala Ousainou Darboe de sonna moy Gambia na fulo tinya bu Ousainou Darboe ya lonne Gambia lo ta nyaadi la Ousainou Darboe ya lonne Gambia ko le bata menke Ousainou Darboe ya lonne so do mandin ko ala nyaayele mandin ko na lonne ko mandin ko ala siobe kanule mandin ko na lonne ko al mon la bi fitno la nyim banko kanja bari ifele bal ma kan fitinola but fale be sonala ba alebula ya noba dama mobula kelola de anum tribalism man la tribalism la fere because amal dama loku ndeba ma musidoleti mfama musidoleti na muso musidoleti mbadu musidoleti ndoku ñol musidoleti so wala dama la tribalism la but say fontol be sonala ba mo dol kata from nowhere else mo me bodi la long e kana kalo e kam man kol ne e ko man kol ye dey e ko man kol ali dey mba len na bara ali dey dal me dey Dakar ko fay lali this is the problem here dal me dey Dakar ko fay lali so this is the problem here kabrin sada wala karaba jamanu man ko munyata jang man ko munyata do ku dulalam ba man ko munyata jere masa kunda kono man ko munyata man ko bulera siobe noma bar bi siol mol ka wuli e ko ka man ko le kele siol ka wuli e ko ka man ko le neng ka man ko doya bar mbama membe bolon kono way mi le ke tele mi at be wulla ke onen ni lefta kam ni mo hete amare commande diamay but anyway membe je olam ñu ko mbata and now we are going to talk We are going to talk. Nobody can stop us to talk. Yeah, Mustafa, finally, yes, Mustafa, what do you have to say?
Songo, mal apologize la. Call sol le sembo kawara, you know. So,
okay.
Mal apologize, you know. So, mal fe kam moy le clear ba.
Yeah, member kana clear, yeah, bismillah.
Yes, we come for coming. In Banjul mapi amange ko sanna follow that kabrin safara man singate jamanu. Yamo. Bari ntel be nga jibe nga Gambia la politiko la tariko jibe ala history. Ning man say anyino be kering. Melkate fo fa bulo kono komi melkata banko be yayi kata tola ka politiko ke ka dum mol kan aka ke man ka dilol leti ani media ko e manke e Banjul mafia groupe oti aka ke bolon bolon ko ni man ni ka dingol leti so bari ni man sakunda sita media ko Banjul mafia media ko itello ye kanto man ni ko jawol ikana wolle in the system ye key places a key positional ta ye man am yamba akun sa ko man ci ngati jamano ko sa daw de jamano ko be bibe al kany sign thing na example diga president Barrow ala key positional be jibe mambre jaagol non si falta male akuru kata abu legi do min nala ndaw jaayol bari nim ko do ko cité jam pour adama e contest ibe mel dila on the ground no pour ka campagne ke adama e avec le douchano ñolleti abu ni nga ñol woni bi de fam fala ning benefit kita yena yewol be push aside ye be push aside yena e ko be ke zero ite yena sai minna pasi na dorom no yena ye ki position order ye follow la tribal bigotry la ye follow la fraud la ye follow la ila punya be ye follow akela pour ko man sa control rek. This is the system they use since the time of Safara Mansingate. You know, Sinana media also in the diaspora may allow all corrupt financially. You know, those to go after Mandinkas. Okay, so what I do now, the moment we come up with the problem of Manjanyo de la problem of and so many people. And others, you know, funding sign the system of killing. I successful. Because what we create, was so syndrome, it can pull out the notice. The better part of the success, it can be able to control. This is what we are good at.
No, yalo Mustafa, yalo ekadamento fojang. I think yalo Mustafa, yalo ekadamento fojang. There was a program me alonko. I discussed that here. Namo fojanonko. The Banjul Mafias, how they design the system. The system is well designed in a way me alonko. Iko. Ndamem foye ni mafia keba ya diamonda da konyeko. Atolu dinolu. Akonya yen halay sosey ay wala fanyede yen halay sosey yen dolen sona de akonya atol albe fala batalla allanyi Facebook albe tala wurla allanyi Facebook lewo alko ka diamon tolle akonya yen sen gaay yen sen pay ñode dem def ñun grand work bi akonya ko alla pabil wala kata grand work ken tolye so alla UDP masakuna na jang akonya ko mbatalal bulle because mlekata we already have the money yesunya roke la kabirin jawra jamano do sunyare fengo ko la tala nyotema o sunyare fengo e bo tala ka nyotema. So they use that. They use our own money to corrupt the system. Come science now system of the because they are already having the money. They are already having all the contracts the Malebulu. So when they will hide the money, but kono imbe mamolale, science will not say, dokuko, doku jamamoela. Ndale nyimfale jani baba ko 2021 albamo ko so-called project pending ido kono le mabola nyokam o kono le bola usla and force our people go back to our people yeta yenna man ko don't use yeta na mol kan na santolto e kata ka manol se e kata ka sugurol se e kata ka koleke. This is what they will do. That's the thing. They are not going to do any work imanda doku fenkela ibe menkala wala nyuduko ye kodol mel di la sila contractol la e wala tinda e naajibe ila 2019 budget 2020 budget oning ya make sure ya hadim gay ala joining ya make sure ko they pay him enough money so that enough money man ya joala imina o kodol le fintindi la ni e fintindi e NPP bo kodol le tal they use it as for politics because they will give more work to Hadim because Hadim is having a lot of work. Hadim selajele be jame alongo Hadim la ba doku kam so Hadim la contract wala company is relying on those small roads. So now the Banjul project me alongo ya diala wo kodo e bo use for politics. So they will use that money if down the mol ka santolto ka kodo dila kan na mol ka manol san na molie go but if menekela even for la mol le use they will use our own people. Ibe maninga deul le use la ibe maninga pabil le use la ibe maninga sefo le use la ibe maninga alkalo le use la ibe maninga mu fenfendi de bo le use la against their own people ka fo ko alkato fenye they will not go to them science but they even started it now to wala yatina because milakata wala yatina to lebe fula batala kono because milakata man lafim fola go manin ko e siyo be la kanu manin ko e mo be la kanu manin ko ka siyo be la futu ba siyo fana be tutu da manin ko la gambe banko kanja nde ba fola la bi ba fola sama ni ano men dia da me ya fama billahi gagne la foy yes
il faut yalon nyimbe sometimes na mandinga kebal melialon ko ibe siring ning mo sita mansa siram kan menkeda the ex-president Yaya Jammeh kabra lafta iwura la kalo politiko la alafta criminal ya start la ay mandinko le mobilize mandinka kebal kabo kombo kana kafa e wura yelo mbe koma nga support 22 good years mandinko mambakal ko para lota janna mandinko neng fo mandinko ye fanje wotu mole atalo nyofi ka groundwork ke fa botaje so Adama Barrow fanam fele the same kombonka na mandinka kebal melbe kombo il faut lota the same thing nekela Adama Barrow ka boko iba semben tuyala iba abetula janne for 20 in 15 years time so ikanyine ke useless ni use ni mansa sembentuya o mansa ina juduila mansa ka juduila nyaadi de sem banjul mafias ale ka dungi ni mansa tema so at the damning
I am giving you let me tell you something Mustafa yalla ko science and president Barrow ya ekayelo ko you need to have a shadow cabinet ekayelo ko nyanda ka shadow cabinet and melio beke I know all of them. Ekayo ya jembe ka shadow cabinet national shadow cabinet. That shadow cabinet ni ekayo wala atina ya jembe ka Paul Belong. Ekayo wala atina ya jembe ka Paul Belong. You understand? Ekayo so saibe menkara. Ibe shadow cabinet le formula. Ile shadow cabinet wala la kenela cabinet de meya longo ni e kata fo win. Ibe wala upgrade la ndoli bol be bayal. Parce que malo la ni ministre lu abe be la bayal. I tell you, hey, look, ngamen fojang, go and write it, go and put it in the bank. There is only 2-3 ministers. Ahmad Ba will be with him because Ahmad Ba look, if they want, they come for me tomorrow. I don't care. If they come for I have my proof. I have my clear evidence.
Yalo system membe Gambia kono. Ngame fo mole Gambia bankunding bari banku kole maba. Puruka nying mafia system. Mafo banjul mafia damalde. Mumobe government kono. Katui muna fanna government na kodola. Ibe government na kodola kunyala. Niete apo.
Yalo muna kering.
Government na place batu dorong. Ye follow bunjang lola. Ye follow ila family. Ibe sambala, in the diaspora, ibita masters kela molla banko kodola,
But it can't never fend about. If you can't never fend go. Well, if you can't never fend because yes, some kodota, some kodo. Ye do ki karamal ada fend knowledge. Abakala ye tai sabaladi. Abakala ye drug wafla. Kensa waldi. Anaka o memfo wafla. Abaka fensa do fon laje. If you got baraka sort of fend because sunyar kodo itara wala to abudu. So you cannot have nothing with that. You cannot have nothing with that.
Ngame foye puruka wo system puruka eradicate Gambia kono fonga try menketa Ghana menketa Durato foye Nigeria nyolto what they are one of the most corrupt countries but aregretale but muneketa wallahi Gambia mansate je regle no la namanke mansate me yalon ko ibe pare la to nyale kama je muneketa all the top corrupt government officials near found one thing ye be samba at the stadium ye be charge ne samba at the stadium ye execute broad daylight na televise men sitas no stadium mo be ya jibe wallahi wodorone be nyim banko samba la nyaato ni metembe diamul jan next 150 years momo be masakunda itali amina ni masakunda do ko soto drom inyante fam barakandila je inyante la family barakandila je halata be balu kam mol yelol so banko base like
anyway thank you Mustafa guys so good mole be mbadu ka nyanta tala sai anyway thank you very much Mustafa baraka thank you for your time viewers membe je wolam nyinti nata tolon ko wonin sok di mari sok la wonin sok go out of politics even it's better you go out of politics. This woman I finished le and I membe kacha I will find in the banda and I member that's what is going on. So it's better you go out of politics because what we know namelong about you is too much. Namelong about you is too much. So either you go out of politics or whatever. I don't know what you will do. But finally, we are tired, and then they no sign. President Barole nyimbe sabu at my final word. Because President Barole alone ko tribalism beyan. Kabina kam masakundata. Instead of Gambian kulta ay kilomuti akadun duma kata all tribes all kam. Because kabina ka tribe kuma fadron akamido kuma ka tribe kuma fadron utumo len tribalism start ka escalate in this country. Ikata amol kam bango dula dolto ikafo karnyol na man la falla. Bar karnyol ni wol man la falla wonta biiti de. Bilan karnyol man la falla bar kunum karnyol la ftala kar kunum karnyol la nal ka futu. Kunum karnyol la nal ka si. Kunum karnyol la keno sika ya dialla kunum karnyol la ka alkalolti. Kunum karnyol la ka kumandawolti kunum karnyol la ko be kaliye. Bari bi karnyol man la falla kadu mine kada ito lafta atolier kato faye karnyol man la falla kunum karnyol la kal futu karnyol man la falla kunum karnyol la kal demolta ike samba karamoldo ike la karamoljo bari karnyol mo mole mi anko e man la falla bari karnyol la ka alkalolti nun kunum an bi karnyol la ka alkalolti bi bari karnyol man bete al sonta al falka findi al ka karñol len al ko karñol e dey nen karñol dingul findida al ko karñol dingul mo travali solleti karñol dingul finda wato don al ko karñol dingul mo travali solleti Gambia president me alon ko jigita ko anyanda ka banko mo ko kilumuti ñing ko bebe caring, he is keeping quiet ado sonna ka diam because mi lakada la sen ya ka janne ayede do fana ya ka ayede do fana ya ka ayede anu he will be keep quiet anu ama lon ko ñin nandiri sifar ñi la ka bankota ñi la ka banko mala ñi la jawé na coup d'état fonte siyo membe ko mandinka ya jam ñi banko kan jam kawta kawol nek siyo membe ko mandinko kawta kawdo ya siyo membe ko mandinko kawta ka batara ya kumo be fowe yesi yebulo la ñokam iko you are free iko you are free but I don't blame sometimes I don't even blame them. I blame our own people. I blame our own people because now own people like can you accommodate. Now own people like can you accommodate. Now own people like you allow men diate ya fama. But to yabe damento si obe ya londe juma lek tribaliste jam mo be yo londe. Si obe yalone jumalem tribal sol di jang mo be yalone si obe yalone gambe be yalone but because we look at hate, this is all about hate. But inshallah ala tan tulo kono nimman toñero ke ni man toñero ke wallahi ala subhanahu wa ta'ala bitalele ndu toñero ke la man da toñero ke la abadan da toñero ke la de toñero kala annum wallahi na kebal ka wala foñ alkana toñero annum de toñero kala de toñero kala de mo toñela alun toñe fa toñano diara bar say na len toñe mbal nim momo en toñe be kelen dila nim membe kala wo ki doro de toñero kala de na kebal kon kana toñero ke annum de toñero kala bar ali da hakan toñe men kam fa ne abem fanam balale men ga dama no kam fande abem fanam balale mbe alonde mem toñade but anyway viewers so kuda I'm coming to stop here. Allah baraka, thank you.